Play Pibaro, Ipidam Subhai Peace, I Pijit Kme, but Kikubo,
Afternoon to everyone. At the very outset, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the entire government of Assam for having invited us for this discussion on this very, very important issue of areas of differences between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. This is a follow-up, as you're aware, to the meeting that was held on the 23rd of July in Shillong. And we decided to meet after that meeting today.
And my media friends from state of Meghalaya, we have just concluded our second meeting, which was a follow-up meeting from Shillong, and we have arrived on certain decisions, basically to facilitate further discussion, further negotiation for resolving this vexed problem. So I'd like to request Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya to address the press and basically convey the decision taken in today's meeting. After that, if something left, then definitely I will also add.